Hey, in this Camtasia tutorial, I'll show you how to add some drop shadow, and actually that's pretty easy. In order to add drop shadow in Camtasia Studio, let's add some text, and also I will show you how to add it on an object, okay, on a PNG or a photo. So right click on the thing which you want to add drop shadow. You can notice that the text is selected on the timeline. Now go to add visual effects and select drop shadow, and now drop shadow has been added. Let's zoom just a tiny bit so you can see better. I will center the drop shadow opacity all the way to the maximum, and the blur usually I will go to 1 or 2, and now you can notice now the text it's readable. You can do the same thing even with PNGs. So let's add something, I don't know, this potato, okay, and add the timeline. And now let's do the same with this. Let's try to add drop shadow. Right click on it, add visual effects and drop shadow, and the same thing, center the drop shadow opacity all the way to the maximum, and the blur I think to maybe 2 is alright. And by any chance, if you would like to remove the drop shadow, select the object which you add the drop shadow on. Now you can see this pointing up arrow. Let's select it. Here you can find drop shadow. You can click on it, and if you press on delete on your keyboard, you will delete the drop shadow. So this is how to add drop shadow in Camtasia Studio. I hope it helped, and I hope you have a great day.